Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can copy and share your LinkedIn profile link on your mobile device. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really helps. And now that I've said that, this is how you can do it. So first up, you'll have to fire up the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're in here, tap on the top left corner, which will show you this. Once you're here, click on View Profile. Under here, you can click on the three dots and share the link directly through a third-party app. You can click on Share Profile Via, but since it's copying the link that we want, just click on Cancel. And yeah, this is how you can copy the link. First up, you will have to click on the three dots again, and once you're here, click on Contact Info. Once you tap on that, you can see the contact info is here, and this is your profile link. Just long press on that. And there you go. It gives me an option where I can copy the link. And that's it. Just paste the link on your favorite browser. And there you go. The profile link is now in your clipboard. You can use it, share it, do whatever you want with it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.